Can 3D printing make functional robot joints with internal wires? Imagine building a robot where all the wiring is hidden inside the joints, protected and organized without extra cables cluttering the outside. Sounds pretty neat, right? Well, it turns out that 3D printing makes this possible. In robotics, creating joints with internal wiring is a smart way to keep things tidy and durable. You can design the joint parts with hollow sections or channels specifically for routing wires. These internal pathways shield the wires from mechanical stress or pinching when the joint moves. This is especially useful for robots that need to perform precise or repeated motions. 3D printing allows for complex shapes that traditional manufacturing can struggle with. You can print a joint with built-in channels for wires like control cables or sensors. These channels are designed to run along the joint's axis or within the structure, keeping the wires close to the moving parts. This setup prevents wires from getting caught or damaged during operation. Many advanced robotic joints are designed with modular parts that include embedded bearings and internal wiring routes. For example, a printed joint might have a cavity for servo motor wires or sensor cables, which are routed through the hollow space. This keeps the external look clean and reduces the risk of damage from external impacts or wear. When building a robot arm, for instance, you can print segments with dedicated cable channels. These channels are usually designed to fit standard wires, which can be as small as 1 millimeter in diameter. The cost of printing such parts depends on the size and material used but generally ranges from $10 to $50 per part. The printing process can take from a few hours to a day, depending on complexity. Some people even incorporate soft actuators or sensors directly into the printed joints. These can include embedded wiring for temperature sensors or heating elements. While some setups requiring additional components like micropumps or voltage regulators, the core idea remains that wiring can be integrated inside the printed parts. Overall, 3D printing makes it straightforward to produce functional robot joints with internal wiring. It allows you to design custom internal channels, combine mechanical and electrical parts into one piece, and protect wires from damage. This approach simplifies assembly, improves reliability, and keeps the robot looking neat. It's especially helpful for rapid prototyping and educational projects, where quick modifications and compact designs are essential. With this method, you can build more complex robots with cleaner wiring and better durability, all thanks to the versatility of 3D printing.